being gracious winners or losers.
Inspired by PM Modi's vision, this initiative by NITI Aayog aims to build awareness around sustainable water management and conservation in communities. White Green Initiative to combat climate change. Thank you.
Promises to heal America after winning the 2024 election. Japan launches world's first wooden satellite, a milestone in space exploration.
I am Chaitra. The best way to begin a day is with a prayer. In the words of APJ Abdul Kalam, prayer is the key that unlocks all the doors.
Truly, children brings us peace and hope and removes our fears and our stress. So don't join our hands, bow our heads for the divine grace.
London is 5 hours 30 minutes behind us, so morning is not there fully, and it's also much colder there.
This is my new AI assistant, Roxa.
Roxa, what kind of name is that?
It's from the Latin word vox, meaning voice. Don't you think it's an excellent name for an assistant's main function, which is to listen voice commands?
They are from Australia, which is far away. Let's so fun. I'll find out more. Hey kangaroo, can you just wait a minute?
How are you doing?
I'm good, kangaroo. What brings you here, far away from your home?
My name is Miss Kangaroo. My friends are going to our tour.
Those kangaroos are fun. Do you know what kangaroos like to play?
Hopscotch!
That's right. We all learned a lot about them today by the Abhigyan and Navika.
Let's see what reaction people are going to show to us.
Look at this tree. Seems like all the animals are gathered here.
Oh no, the animal seems unhappy.
Clean water is the lifeblood of the animals, but else all of it is not clean.
Oh no! What happened to this water? It's filled with trash and yucky stuff.
Sadly, we are responsible for it. Our thoughtless activities sometimes lead to water pollution.
Can we do something about it?
Sure, we can start picking up our mess right now, right here.
Look! It's the jungle cleanup crew. Let's join them. I will use my trunk to lift out the large debris from the water so that it's safe for everyone. Dive into the ocean and take out smaller things no tides left behind.
Chairperson Dr. Mrs. P. Jyoti Reddy. Dr. Jyoti Reddy is a leader in education, known for her vision, clear communication, patience in action, and wisdom in judgment. She holds an MA and B with a PhD in the literature. Her dedication to education spans nearly 40 years, marked by her vision and commitment to learning.
We need to know what is happening around us.
And to do just that, we bring you news from north, east, west, and south.
Residents of the jungle seem to be very good at bartering.
This is how humans also want things that we needed in ancient times.
Cypress are